In this video, we are excited to share with you 30 amazing facts about Rwanda. Due to its rugged landscape, Rwanda is known as the country of 1,000 hills. There are more than 12 million people living in the nation. English, French, and Kinyarwanda are Rwanda's 3 official languages. The Rwandan franc is the country's official currency. Only located in the Virunga Mountains of Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Rwanda is home to the critically endangered mountain gorilla. The nation has a high percentage of literacy, more than 70%. Most parliamentarians are women only in Rwanda, the only nation in the world. The nation's economy is expanding, with a GDP of more than $8 billion. Rich in culture, Rwanda still performs its traditional dances and songs. The nation has made great strides in lowering poverty and expanding access to healthcare and education. Traditional Rwandan arts and crafts, including basket weaving and pottery, are well known. The nation boasts a diversified environment with numerous national parks and other protected areas. The renowned Akagera National Park, located in Rwanda, is well known for its wildlife, including lions and elephants. Visitors come to Rwanda to see the gorillas and other animals and learn about the country's history and culture. Kigali serves as Rwanda capital. Landlocked Rwanda is a nation. The highlands have a milder climate than the lowlands, which have warmer weather. Hutu, Tutsi, and Twa are a few of the ethnic groups that call Rwanda home. Local communities are actively involved in managing and protecting wildlife and protected areas throughout the nation, which has a long history of community-based conservation. The manufacturing of coffee and tea is well known in Rwanda. With more than 800 bird species, 200 mammal species, and 1,000 plant species, the nation boasts a high level of biodiversity. Rwanda is one of the few nations in Africa where the age-old custom of reconciliation is still practiced. The nation has a long history, and the area has been home to several historical kingdoms and civilizations. The IT sector is expanding in Rwanda, which is also one of the most developed nations in Africa. In terms of women's empowerment and gender equality, the nation has achieved great strides. Regarding environmental preservation and sustainable development, Rwanda is a leader in Africa. Rwandan artists produce traditional and modern art in the country's thriving arts industry. With a president and parliament chosen by the people, Rwanda's political environment is comparatively stable. The nation is well known for its production of coffee and tea, and both crops account for a sizable percentage of Rwanda GDP. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more amazing and fact-based videos.